Dear students, I hope you all have understood yesterday's illustration number 11, and today I am going to explain you illustration number 12. So please pay close attention. Have a look at illustration number 12. Sujata Enterprises purchased machinery on 1st April 2011 for rupees 4 lakh. Depreciation is calculated at 10% per annum on reducing balance method. Books are closed on 31st December every year. Prepare machinery account for the first 3 years. So just have a look at the illustration very carefully. You are preparing accounts in the books of Sujata Enterprises. And if you see the accounting period of the organization, it's closing on 31st December. That means the accounting period is from January to December. We are calculating depreciation here. So depreciation is to be provided for the whole year from Jan to December. But if you see the question, the illustration carefully, the machinery was bought on 1st April. It means from April onwards the machinery has been used during that year 2011 till December. That is for how many months? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. If you calculate these dots, just see how many number of months we are going to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. So in the year 2011, the machinery was only used for 9 months. Whenever you solve any question, please make a rough. We are making it in the books of Sujata Enterprises. They bought a machinery on 1st April 2011 for rupees 4 lakhs. It means during the first year the machine was only used for 9 months. Then the books are closed on December. It means the accounting year is from January to December. And what is the rate of depreciation given? We are given 10%. Which method are we asked to follow? Reducing balance method. And for how many years are we supposed to prepare this machinery account? It has to be made for 3 years on reducing balance method, and the rate of depreciation is 10%. Okay, 4 lakhs. So when we are calculating rate of depreciation, children, I'll just show you in your textbook how they have done the working notes. Working notes always has to be like this. Calculation of the amount of depreciation. First we have 4 lakhs. Then original cost of the machinery on 1st April 2011 is 4 lakhs. Less depreciation for the year 2011. If we see the depreciation amount for 2011, excuse me, 4 lakhs is the amount. Let us see yearly how much depreciation is to be charged on this asset. 10% will take. So it is 40,000. But we have used the asset during 2011 only for 9 months. So if for 12 months it is 40,000, for 9 months how much it would be? 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 10,000. So 10,000 into 3. For 9 months the depreciation to be charged is 30,000. So for first year how much is the depreciation? 30,000. 4 lakhs minus 30,000. Just see, 4 lakhs minus 30,000, you will get 3 lakhs 70,000. This is the book value of the machinery by end, or you say at the beginning of the next year, end of the previous year and beginning of the next year, it is 3 lakh 70,000. So in 2011, the machinery was 4 lakhs on 1st April. On 31st December, it has come down to 3 lakh 70,000, which is the opening balance for the next year 2012. Now in reducing balance method, generally in straight line method, what we do, the 40,000 which we have calculated earlier, that used to be same for all the years. But here in reducing balance method, you will have to follow the book value of the asset. The value of the asset at the beginning of the year. The value of the asset at the beginning of 2011 was 4 lakhs. So we have taken that. The value of the asset at the beginning of 2012 is 3 lakh 70,000. So we will calculate this 10% on this amount. Okay, so it is going to be 37,000. Okay, just have a look. 37,000. When you minus 37,000 from this 3,70,000, you'll get 3,33,000, which is the book value of the machinery for the next year, that is on 1st January 2013. Then you will calculate 10% on this amount. When you calculate 10% on this amount, you will get 33,300 rupees. Okay, this is going to be the depreciation during 2013. This asset, it was started using in 2011. There we have used it only for 9 months. 2012 completely for 12 months it's been used. 2013 again for 12 months it's been used. So we are charging full depreciation. So when you minus this amount, that will be the book value of the asset for the next year. Book value of machinery as on 1/1/2014. It's very, very important, children, whenever you are doing depreciation sum, wherever the working notes is required, you need to write that, show that. So this is how the working notes has to be shown in case of reducing balance method. Alright, so when we are doing it over here, as we have already seen, this is Sujata Enterprises in the books of Sujata Enterprises. We are making machinery account under reducing balance method. You will put debit and credit. Then you will draw the format, date, particulars, journal folio, amount in rupees, credit side, date, particulars, journal folio, amount in rupees. Okay, so here we'll start, as we are asked to show the machinery account for 3 years. The machinery was bought in 2011, we have written that. To bank account, how much have we paid? We have paid 4 lakh rupees during 2011. This has happened on 1st of April. On 31st December, the depreciation is to be calculated. We have already done that by depreciation account. How much did we get? Actually 40,000, but because it is used only for 9 months, after calculation we got 30,000. So we'll show that amount here, 30,000. Now total both the sides, 4 lakhs. So book value by end of the year is 4 lakhs minus 30,000, that is 3,70,000. That will go under the heading of by balance C by D, which is to be carried forward to the next year as brought down. So again on 31st December. So we have closed the books on depreciation till here for 2011. 2012, it means initially the assets value on April was 4 lakhs. After its usage, the value of the asset it reduced by 30,000, and now by end of the year the value of asset is 3,70,000. It means in 2012 when we used this machinery, the same machinery, we started using it when its opening value was 3,70,000. Now when you are calculating depreciation, you will calculate on this amount. 10% of 3,70,000, you will get 37,000. Depreciation is always charged by end of the year. So you will mention the year on the top and you will show all the dates pertaining to that year below it till you close it down. So by depreciation account, $3,70,000. See, 3,70,000 into 10 by 100. cancel the zeros, you are left with 37,000. So this is our depreciation amount, 37,000. Now just have a look what is the balance C by D. By balance C by D will be the amount when you minus this 37,000 from 3,70,000. So when you do that, you will get an amount of, just give me a moment, 3,33,000. Both the sides we have totaled. Now the next year in 2013, again the value of the asset on January 1st was 3,33,000. So this is going to be our balance B by D, 3,33,000. Now on this amount of 3,33,000, we are supposed to calculate the depreciation. So that is going to be 10 by 100. So now you got 33,300. So this is our depreciation amount, dear students, 33,300 under the heading of by depreciation account. By end of the year, that is 31st December 2013. Now we will write the closing balance, that is balance C by D, the value of the asset, the book value of the asset by end of 2013. When you minus this 33,300 from 3,33,000, you will get an amount of 2,99,700. Just close both the sides. So this closing balance, the value of the asset by end of the year of 2013 will be the opening balance, the value of the asset at the beginning of 2014. We'll show that and we'll just leave this account, machinery account, here. So it's going to be like to balance B by D. The amount we'll get it down, we'll bring it down, 2,99,700. So this is how you'll have to show your machinery account in reducing balance method. Okay, so this balance C by D, whatever you are getting the amount, or you say the balance at the beginning of the year, you will be calculating depreciation. The rate of depreciation will be already given, children. You will have to calculate rate of depreciation on that particular amount. Only thing you will have to be careful, in case if the depreciation is used for some number of months rather than the whole year, then you will have to calculate that those many months over there and show it clearly in the account. So this was about illustration number 12, dear students. Thank you for listening.